So as someone who doesn't have a ton of money, who isn't super rich, and who is also building a school bus into an RV, here are my 3 ways you can save to build your own school bus. Now, it may be obvious, but you want to wait for sales and try to do research for discount codes. Really do your research from different distributors and sellers. For example, Amazon, eBay, Home Depot versus Lowe's. Like, there are many different places to buy the exact same product, and some places may sell it for less. Finding a good used parts seller is very important. eBay has tons of used or even open box items that you may be able to use, finding it 50% cheaper because it's an open box. Some creators and some influencers have special affiliate discounts. Like for us, we have a 5% discount at Time down below for any batteries or inverters that you need. That's the batteries we're buying. I'm also buying a second one from them. Number 2 is doing research and planning. The more research you do, the less mistakes you'll make and the less material or supplies that you will have to buy. I can't even tell you how much extra plywood that I bought because I accidentally cut it wrong, or I built the wrong thing or made the wrong dimensions. I've also bought electrical cables that I didn't even need or didn't work with my setup, and they're just there. Really make sure you plan out your ideas before you do them so that you don't make expensive mistakes like I have done. And I am learning. We're all learning here together. Another way is getting help with some of the more complicated projects instead of hiring someone. Like, I've gotten help with plumbing, with electrical, making sure I don't blow anything up, I don't waste a lot of parts, and I don't have to buy anything extra. Now, definitely make sure to subscribe and check out our links below of all the things that we've used and so that you can also use. Now, number 3, getting to the end of it, don't get the top of the line things, or what I would call name brand. You see on Instagram and Pinterest and all of these really crazy builds that I have like the best of the best. Some things are just good enough, like for your build. Like for us, we don't need any crazy, I don't even know what I would say, like our overhead fan. It is not name brand, straight from Amazon. I call those Amazon specials. They work, it's worked. And so buying the off-brand item is super important for people on a budget trying to save money. And so those are your 3 ways to save some money while building a Skoolie or a converted van. And don't forget to subscribe, check out our other videos. We're planning on going on a trip soon, and I'll see you in the next video.